Hi, today I want to show you a few examples of the neurogenic subtype in iridology. In this subtype, we find that the iris fibers, which originate here at the pupil border and radiate outwards to the iris border, appear very straight and tight and show great density. A person with this pattern is very resilient and their body can tolerate a harmful lifestyle without showing symptoms quickly. And when they get sick, they can bounce back to a healthy state fairly quickly. Usually these people can work hard for long hours, but then they also tend to overdo it and push themselves harder than they should, which then can cause a lot of stress on their body. Even though they can tolerate an overworking or unhealthy lifestyle for quite a while, at some point it will show, and these people tend to have sudden heart attacks or develop digestive disorders. So if these people focus on balancing their working and resting periods, clean up their diet, and establish a good movement routine, then they will usually live a very long and healthy life. To calm down their nervous system, it's also advisable to incorporate herbs such as chamomile or ashwagandha. Since these people tend to be more in their heads and mind-based, it would be good also to work on their emotions and to open up and be more vulnerable with their loved ones. If you would like to learn more about what your eyes can tell you to improve your life in the best and most positive way, then check out my website fruitfulsolution.com and book your personal reading with me.